Hello everybody. Okay, today I'm going to be making wild mint soap. I actually have a few bars here to show you. So this is like a nice sort of deep green base with a white top and a cocoa line before the white, in between the green and the white. And it smells just like my nan's garden mint. I should really call it garden mint, but it's wild mint. And it's a fragrance from Candle Shack that I've been using for a couple of years, and I just love this. I think when you're a soap maker and you offer mint soaps, I think they're the obvious soaps to make, so a lot of people will bypass them and sort of go for something maybe a bit more unusual or a bit more less run-of-the-mill. But this, honestly, this is one of the nicest mint scents ever. Now, it's nothing like a peppermint and it's nothing like a spearmint. It's like a watery mint. It's got a really nice fresh garden mint scent. So when you rub mint leaves, they don't smell like peppermint oil and they don't smell like spearmint oil. They smell like garden mint, and this has got that scent. So I can't achieve this scent with the essential oil, so I'm using a fragrance, yeah, like I get from the one I get is from Candle Shack. So yeah, that's what we're making today. So it's just a simple soap really, just a nice dark green base and then the white sort of flipped around on the top and sort of peaked at the end. So yeah, that's what I'm making today. So if you want to see how I make it, then stay tuned. Okay, I'm just going to cut into loaves then. You can see the inside. So that black line is now showing nicely. It's just nicer to have a line than to just do one colour and then another colour on the top. I think it looks better if you put a line in there. It just sort of gives off that contrast a bit nicer than if it wasn't there. And the peaks on the top, I went over them again as the soap had thickened a bit more, so you can see them a lot more defined. There you go. I love this soap so much. It's not a really amazing seller in the online shop, but people do buy it, but it's sort of overlooked. I think people just find, like, they just sort of see mint and think it's not really, oh, it's just another mint soap, but honestly, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, so there's the loaves then. I'm just going to cut one of those into bars so you can see the final soap. Okay. Just grab a few so you can see what they come out like. That was quite straight on the end, and then some of them are sort of crooked lines. Kind of like the way that one looks. So yes, very pleased with this. It never fails, it always soaks really, really nicely. And it's just a nice wholesome looking bar, I think. Don't you think? Yeah. So that is wild mint soap. I don't know what I'm making next. I've got all my labels sorted for these batches, so I just need to take a look on my spreadsheet and see what else I've got to do. There's some other ones I want to bring back from previous years, so I think I might do one called Harvest Moon. That one's one I want to bring back and have wanted to bring back for a while, so I'll look into that. That's like a ginger and clove, and I'm just trying to think. There's a few oils in that one. I need to look it up. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've made it, so I just need to have a look. And it's an essential oil blend. So that is wild mint. I'm going to finish chopping those, and I will be back, like I say, for the next video. And it might be Harvest Moon. I'll see if I've got all the oils in stock. I think I have. And I make that one with little soap balls coated in cocoa, so hopefully I can show you the making of that one. So I'll be back soon. Take care. Ta-ta.